Welcome back, friends. You made it to Level 2 of the Multiplication Quiz Challenge. This time, the questions are a little trickier. Are you ready? You still have 5 seconds to answer each one. Let's go. Question 1. What is 6 times 3? Correct. It's 18. Question 2. What is 7 times 4? Great job. It's 28. Question 3. What is 8 times 2? $16. That's right. Question 4. What is 9 times 5? $45. Excellent. Question 5. What is 6 times 7? $42. You're doing great. Question 6. What is 8 times 6? $48. Fantastic work. Question 7. What is 9 times 3? $27. Keep going. Question 8. What is 7 times 8? $56. Great memory. Question 9. What is 6 times 9? $54. Super job. Question 10. What is 8 times 4? $32. You're a math star. Question 11. What is 9 times 2? $18. Perfect. Question 12. What is 7 times 5? $35. Keep it up. Question 13. What is 8 times 9? $72. That's amazing. Question 14. What is 6 times 6? $36. Great job. Question 15. What is 9 times 4? $36. Nice work. Question 16. What is 7 times 3? $21. You're getting faster. Question 17. What is 8 times 5? $40. Fantastic. Question 18. What is 6 times 8? $48. You're a math champ. Question 19. What is 9 times 7? $63. Brilliant. Question 20. What is 8 times 7? $56. Perfect finish. Awesome work! You've completed Level 2. You're getting faster and smarter with every quiz. Next up, Level 3, the Ultimate Challenge. Can you handle it? Let's find out. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.